So how can you fix blurry Instagram stories on your Android? Let's talk about it. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. The first step is to take a look at your physical conditions of the phone. Take a look at the back camera. Make sure you give it a little clean, and then there is nothing covering the lens, that there isn't anything that could cause the photos to be blurry in the first place. But if you do this, I assume that your camera lenses are going to be fine, but then we'll still have some settings to change and tweak within the Instagram app. So you can open it up naturally like that, then go to your profile, right? And then naturally you can go to the settings, and from the options which appear, just go to the data usage and media quality. So it's like all put together like this, tap on it, and there is the data saver at the top, which is turn off for me. But if you have it enabled, it just means that when the data saver is turned on, videos will not load in advance to help you use less data. So that's more of a consumption. However, you can also see the upload at highest quality, and this should most likely be, or most definitely should be, turned on if you want to ensure that your photos and videos are not blurry on your Instagram story and in other places inside of the app, right? So you need to manually enable it so the highest possible quality of the shot will also be uploaded to the platform. So let me know if that fixed the issue. Let me know if the photos are now looking better on your Instagram. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.